What if you could launch your own online store without touching code, without hiring developers, and without using Shopify? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step through setting up your first e-commerce website. We're going to be using Cloudways and using WooCommerce, and this will all be done in under 20 minutes. No tech headaches, no skip steps, just a real walkthrough showing you exactly how simple and powerful Cloudways can be. If you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed trying to get your store live, this video is for you. Let's begin. To begin, we're going to go to cloudways.com, and there's going to be a link down below to get 25% off to get started right now. Just click the link, use it, and use Doc25 to get started. Okay, so once you sign up, then you're going to be taken to the dashboard here. Now, to begin, there is a full video how to actually start your servers and everything like that. There's going to be a link down below to get started there. But after you do that, you can go to the section where it says flexible. This will be where we see our servers and then applications right here. So we already have our server already set up. So we're going to click this button on the right-hand side where it says add application. Now we're going to zoom in just for a second so you can see that add application. We're going to then allow us to select a server we want the application to be. We have the server right here. It's going to add the application. Now here, we're going to add a couple details here. It says select application. So right here, we can decide what do we want to do. We can have WordPress, and specifically here, we're creating an e-commerce store, right? So we want an alternative to Shopify. We want to be selling items. So we're going to choose WooCommerce here. And then what we're going to do is have a name for our application. So we're going to say AI agent, let's see, workflow store. And what we want to do is we're going to be selling workflows. So you know what, we'll we'll keep it there. That way we can use different workflows from N8N, make, etc. Okay, so we have that right here. Boom, right here. Your project, I'm picking just that, and then add an application. Now, it's going to take a few moments. We're going to be adding the application. It mentions we're going to be installing the new application. It will take about 2 minutes. Now here, as we're going to be building out our different application, we're going to be going into our website in just a little while. It's important to note how we're going to be able to basically structure our website. We're going to use everything out of the box here, where it's going to give us a basic theme and just use it. But when you're using this kind of application and we're building with WooCommerce or WordPress, it's also important to note that you can also use many different themes or different things on top of that. What do I mean by that? Well, you could use other website builders on top of this. We're going to use the basic one, but you could also use something like Elementor. This way you can create all of the different styles or what you want for your website as well. There's going to be a link down below if you want to try that out as well. But again, it really depends on what you want to do. If you're just getting started, I would recommend a basic theme, but depending on what you're trying to do, how you want the different look and feel of your website, you could use something like Elementor on top of it as well. It's going to be totally up to you. Okay, so we're going to be waiting just a moment for adding an application right here. And remember, this is to show you the step-by-step process, and we're not skipping any steps here. So we're going to wait just 1 minute, and then we're going to continue as this application is ready to go. And look, just like that, we have the store right here. It has been installed. We can click this, and now we get the access details. Now, right here, we can click the application URL. We can go to the application. Okay, we see hello world here. We have a cart. We have a checkout. Okay, that looks great. And then we have a sample page, right? So we can start out using this if we want to. Now let's go into the website and actually take a look at this for a moment. So we have the username and password right here. To log in, you're just going to go to the URL. You're going to do /admin. And this will take us to the admin section for the website. We're going to grab the user and password information here. grab that right here, copy it, go into it. We're going to say, remember me. It's going to think about its life for a moment. And now we are in the back end of the website. So this is our dashboard, and we're going to be able to use this. So again, look, we've already have WordPress all the way set up for us, and we have everything from here. Now, what we're going to do is in less than 5 minutes, we already have everything installed and ready to go for WooCommerce. But let's give you a overview of what you're seeing if this is the first time you have built a WordPress site using WooCommerce. On the left-hand side, you're going to be seeing the navigation. So we have home, we have updates that we can go to, and then we have the different posts. So we can have different posts, we can have different pages if we want. If we see this, the classic Hello World page we have right here. Then we can add media. We can have a media library. What we're going to be having different different photos, different media that we're going to have for our website. And then we also have pages here as well. So the pages, we have a cart page, checkout, my account, privacy, refund, sample page, and then the shop page as well. Right. So if we right click and we look at this, this is the first page. It says clearing any filters, head on head to our store's home. Okay. So we have all of that right here. Again, very basic for us to start building if we want. Then if we look on the left-hand side, we have WooCommerce right here. And then it shows right here, it's great to have you here. We're going to guide you through the setup process. First, answer a few questions to tailor your experience. So we can set up my store right here using WooCommerce. It says which of these best describe you. Let us know where you are in your commerce journey so we can tailor your Woo experience for you. I'm going to say I'm just starting my business. And then it says give the store a name. I'm going to say AI agent workflows. What type of products? The industry, I'm going to say digital. Can I say digital products? Yeah, electronics and computers, education and learning. I'm going to say education and learning. Where are you located? I'm going to put Washington, D.C. Does it allow me to do that? Okay, cool. Okay, email. We have that, and then we're going to go from here. Then it says boost. Get a boost with our free features. So get paid with Woo payments. Give shoppers a variety of ways to pay. So PayPal here. Showcase your products and Pinterest. That's interesting. Drive sales on WooCommerce. Create ad campaigns on TikTok. Okay, so right here, I'm going to go with pretty much all of these. So now let's get your features ready. So it's going to take a few minutes getting started, extending your store's capabilities. I like it. Turning on the lights. And it's giving me fun facts, how many people are using WooCommerce, all that kind of jazz. That's good. Okay. And it says now create an account. To access all the features and Woo payments, we'll need to connect your store to a WordPress account. Please create one or log in. Let's continue. And if you're following along, and we encourage you to do, there's going to be a link down below to follow along. You're seeing that we're doing this all in less than 20 minutes to get everything set up. Now, as we go through and connect different account information, that's something also for your business information, all of those things. Keep that in mind. You're going to need that to connect all of those final steps. But we already have WooCommerce right there. It's thinking about its life for a moment. We're seeing home right here. It's giving us different options. Okay. And then here it's saying start to customize. We can customize your store, add products, get paid, collect sales tax, and then launch the store. I'm just going to preview this real quick. And again, it's just added right here, AI agents right here, added the name. So it's doing some things. It says customize the store. Start customizing. It's going to take a moment. It's going to give us some options here. Okay, and then right here, it says customize your theme. So choose a professional themed here or design your own theme. I'm just going to browse here. And then right here, we can have a couple different themes that we want to use. Now, we can decide, okay, what works for me, and then also what works for my budget. And we have a couple that are premium and they're, they cost money. But also too, we have like the Astra one, free plan available. So depending on, the look and feel, you can look at which one you like, see what you like, and then be able to buy now. Or to just get started, if you're on a budget and just trying to get started, see if we can filter by price. Doesn't look like it, but I can just scroll down and find one that I like. Right here, the Prince one, that's free. I kind of like that model actually. So let's take a look at the two. I want to look at the Prince one, Puppalooza, and Astra. These are free. Let's take a look. A sleek and modern WooCommerce theme. I think I like this. Add to store. All right, here. Already have an account, create an account. So I'm going to create an account. Oh no, look, continue, sign in as a different. No, let's just continue. Authorize WooCommerce to use this. Okay. I'm going to just put in my information. Boom. Store owner. Boom. Add to store. Okay. Enter the URL that you want to choose. I'm just going to use this. And of course, I'll come back and change it later if I want to connect a domain or something like that. Okay. Connect your account. All right. Installing your extension. This won't take long. Update Manager enables product updates and streamlines support. Okay. We're installing the theme here. And then we're going to have right here, start using. All right. So we have that. Let's take a look. Visit site, visit store. So I click the button. Look at sample. And probably we'll look at, sample page here. WooCommerce home. Let's preview the store. Okay, so we have that all good. And that is starting right there. And we're good to go. So we have the first section. And let me make sure here. This is the other one we had. Okay. We already customized there. So we're going to go to browse themes. And we already have the theme that we like here. And what we're going to make sure is, I believe we already installed it, but let's just go home here. And we're actually going to look at the appearance. So we're dropping down to appearance on the left-hand side. We're going to go to themes. Okay, there we go. Activate. There we go. There we go. We activated the theme. Now let's go to the store. Ah, there we go. There we go. And so now we have the theme right here. Looks good. Yep. And so right now it's showing prints. We're going to be changing it. And in another video, we'll talk about how we actually change out the different or edit the pages. But we see how now it's changed all those things. And so in review, even though I thought we had it right there, you just go down to appearance and then we just change out the theme. We just got the theme there. We got it for free. We activated it, and then we're good to go. So we have successfully, in under 20 minutes, we created our new WooCommerce store. We got a theme installed. And then next, what's important, if we're going to be taking payments, make sure that you get all of the information for your business, how you're going to be paying out, all of those things. It's important that depending on where you live, what state, what city, what country. You get all of these details to make sure that you're doing this in a legal way to get started so you can start accepting payments and getting sales for your business. If you like videos like this and want to know more about Cloudways and how you can get started with this, let me know in the comment section down below. Remember, use the coupon code DOC25 to get 25% off to get started today. And if you want to see our journey launching a website, launching a business where we're selling workflows for AI agents and all of those things, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.